Good morning, class. Hope you all are fine at home. We have done chapter number 5, editing text in Microsoft Word 2010 earlier. Today we done the recapitulation of this chapter. Okay, we have learned what is Microsoft Word in this chapter. It's a Microsoft Word. It is known as the word processing component of the Microsoft Office suite. It is used to enter, edit, format, save, retrieve and print the document. It is used to insert a picture, preview the text before printing. That means we have to insert the picture. We have preview. Whatever we have inserted in the text, in the document, we have preview it. And we are identify the main components of the Microsoft Word 2010, such as title bar, status bar, ruler, etc. Identify the purpose of the command on the menu bar and where we have used these commands, which is given on the menu bar. We have learnt in this chapter. We have done the question answers in the notebook as well as book. Answer in one words. What is the shortcut method to select a paragraph? Triple click anywhere in the paragraph or double click in the left margin of the paragraph is the shortcut method to select a paragraph. What are the redo and the undo buttons located? Where are they located in the Microsoft Windows 2010? We have learned it here. What do you understand by term editing? That means after typing the text in a document or you may want to make some changes in the text, it is known as the editing. Explain the thesaurus option in the Microsoft Word. We have also done the practically in the classroom how we check the spellings and synonyms and antonyms in our documents. We have done the true and false. This is the activity section which is given in the last page in your book. There is a paragraph. In that written, success is not something that you run into by an accident. It's take a preparation and character. Everyone likes to win. But how many willing to put in the efforts and time to win? It takes sacrifice and self-discipline. This is not substitute for hard work. Hard work is the key to success. That means here is written a paragraph. And what we have to do in this paragraph? We have to save. How to save a paragraph in the document Microsoft Word 2010. So let's follow the steps how we save the documents. Type the above paragraph. First of all, we need to type the content in the Word. So here is an example. This paragraph is written in the Microsoft Word. And then we need to save the document. To save the document as the name of the paragraph is hard work. We are going to the file tab and then the save option is coming. Close the then we click on save on it. Close the document by clicking on the file tab in the selecting close option. When we click on the file tab, there is close option is coming. When we click on it, it's close. Or press Ctrl plus O, any combination to open the document. If we want to, if we save the document and then again we want to open this document, then we need to press Ctrl plus O. And if we want to, we have to learn thesaurus, how to correct spelling, rectify and all these things. If in this paragraph, if there is any error in the spelling, suppose it, right click on the word success and replace it with the correct spelling from the context menu. If you want to replace the success word, insert a lot of before preparation word. इसमें आपकी टेक्स्ट में preparation word से पहले अगर हम a lot of word insert करना चाहें, insert the word are before willing and required to win before to win. Remove the selected time in the same sentences. Find the synonyms of the word sacrifice in the paragraph. We using the thesaurus option which is given in the proofing group and we replaced it. Save our documents and again by using how can we do by with the keyboard key to save the document, that is Ctrl plus S with the key combination. Exit from the Microsoft Word application by clicking on the file tab, exit button. How can we exit from a document in a Microsoft Word? We can click on a file tab, there is an exit option is coming, click on it and then it would be exited from the Microsoft document.